Good morning students. In our previous class we have learnt about number expressing in a definite form, that is known as standard form. The numbers which are to be expressed in standard forms are either a large number or smallest number. Smallest number, that is purely based on decimal number. Now here we use exponents in expressing standard form of a number. The question one is given 57.36, so that this decimal has to be shifted left hand side. That means it moves one place. Power of 10, it becomes 1, though we don't need to write 1, so that the answer becomes 5.736 into 10. Next question is 16 crores 80 lakhs to be expressed in standard form. We can write also 168, then into 10 to the power 6, because 6 zeros are here, so that we can also write 10 to the power 6. Now first of all, this 168 to be expressed in standard form, that means decimals to be assumed here, it should be moved two places to the left hand side. That means 1.68 and 10 to the power 2, because of decimal moves two places, and already we have 10 to the power 6. By using laws of exponent, 10 to the power 2 plus 6 equal to 1.68 into 10 to the power 8. Now next question is already given in exponential form, but here also this decimal has to be moved two places left hand side. 3.45 into 10 to the power 2, and 10 to the 5 already been given. 3.45 into 10 to the power 2 plus 5 equal to 3.45 into 10 to the power 7 is the answer. Now question number 2, write each of the following numbers in usual form. That means these questions are given in standard form, we have to change them in usual form. First of all, we have to write 375. This 3.75 is into A by B form. That means this decimal to be removed first by 100 into 10 to the power 5 already given. 375, this 100 to be written in power notation, 10 to the power 2 into 10 to the power 5. Next step, 375 into 10 to the power 5, this 10 to the power 2 be to be shifted in that becomes 10 to the power minus 2, or can we write 10 to the power minus 2. In next step, this will now become, by using laws of exponent, 5 minus 2 equal to 375 into 10 to the power 3 is the answer. Or we can also write 375 0 0 0. 3,75,000 is the number, that becomes 3.75 into 10 to the power 5 in usual form. Next question is again 1.679 into 10 to the power 9. The number is given in standard form. That is this number to be first of all changed into A by B form. 1679 divided by 10 to the power 3, because decimal to be moved right hand side 3 places, into 10 to the power 9 already been given, equal to 1679 into 10 to the power 9 this power to be, when moved into numerator place, then it becomes minus power. 1679 into 10 to the power 9 minus 3 equal to 1679 into 10 to the power 6, or we can write 1679 including 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is the answer. Dear student, in our next question, here we see two different masses are given. One is of Earth and another one is of Moon. So we have to add them to find out the total mass of the two celestial bodies. Here Earth is given, its total mass is 5.97 into 10 raised to the power 24 kg, and mass of Moon is 7.35 into 10 to the power 22 kg. Hence, total mass of the two equal to mass of Earth plus mass of Moon equal to 5.97 into 10 to the power 24 kg plus 7.35 into 10 to the power 22 kg. Dear student, here we see two different powers of 10. One is 10 to the power 24 and another one is 10 to the power 22. Hence, sum of these two numbers cannot be possible without making them equal 10 to the power. So here we can try to make them equal power. 5.97 into 10 to the power 2 into 10 to the power 22 plus 7.35 into 10 to the power 22. See, here we can split this power into 10 to the power 2 and 10 to the power 22 because their sum is equal to 10 to the power 24. Now this 10 to the power 2 shifted to this number so that it becomes 597 by 10 to the power 2 into 10 to the power 2 into 10 to the power 22. Remember, this decimal number is to be changed into a by b form, where b is to be changed into exponential form. This 10 to the power 2 and 10 to the power 2 to be cancelled, and 7.35 write as usual. Now in our next step, we see that 597 into 10 to the power 22 is the mass of Earth plus 7.35 into 10 to the power 22 is the mass of Moon. Now these two numbers are become in equal power notation. 597 plus 7.35 are to be taken, keep in bracket, and these powers are common, so write this. Now 597 plus 7.35, it becomes 604.35 into 10 to the power 22 is the total mass. Now dear children, this number is not, this mass of the, this two, sum of the, this total, these two celestial bodies are not given in standard form, so we have to change them in standard form. So this decimal must be shifted to after 6.0435, and that's why we have to multiply 10 to the power 2. Already we have 10 to the power 22. 6.0435 into 10 to the power 2 plus 22 equal to 6.0435 into 10 to the power 24 kg is the weight of the sum of these two celestial bodies, that is Earth and Moon. Now, from our previous knowledge that the smaller numbers are also being changed into standard form, because pronunciation of this number is quite difficult for us, so that here we also use to change this number into standard form. In first question, here we see after decimal there is a 4 places, so that this number to be changed into A by B form, 6 by 10,000, or we can write 10,000 into exponential form. In next step, when this 10 to the power 4 is moved to the upper side, then it becomes 10 to the power minus 4. So that 0.0006 is now becomes 6 into 10 raised to the power minus 4 in standard form. Now in next question, here we can see after decimal there is a 8 zeros and after that 689. So this number also being changed into A by B form, that is 689 divided by 10 to the power 11, because 8 zeros and 3 numbers including this. Now this becomes 10 to the power 11. Again this 10 to the power 11 when moved to the upper side, this will now become 689 into 10 to the power minus 11. Now dear children, this number is not in standard form. In standard form, the numbers are written in x into 10 to the power m or n form. So here is the decimal. This decimal is to be moved 2 places left inside. That means 6.89 into 10 to the power 2 into 10 to the power minus 11 that we have already have. So 6.89 into 10 to the power 2 plus minus 11, 6.89 into 10 to the power 2 minus 11, 6.89 into 10 to the power minus 9 is the standard form of expressing this number. Now student, in our question number 6, here we see 2 different questions are given. Both the questions are, or both the numbers are given in very smallest form. Now first question, 1 micron is equal to 1 by, that is 1, after 1 there is 6 zeros. That means this number is already given in A by B form, so that this number is to be changed first of all into exponential form, 10 to the power 6 m, or we can write 1 into 10 to the power minus 6 m, that is the value of 1 micron in standard form, 1 into 10 raised to the power minus 6 m. In our next question, here also we see after decimal there is 6 zeros and after that 4 is here. So first of all this number is to be changed into A by B form, 4 by 10 to the power 7 m, or 4 into 10 to the power minus 7 m is the value of this number in standard form. Now in our next question, here we see the number is given in standard form. We have to change this number into usual form. So dear children, what is the usual form of a number? See, usual form of a number is the number without having any negative or positive power. That is called usual form of a number. That means we have to change this number which is already given in standard form to be changed in usual form. First of all, this 2.06 to be changed into A by B form, that is 206 by 10 to the power 2 into 10 to the power minus 5, which is equal to 206 by multiplied by 10 to the power minus 5. This 10 to the power by power 2 whenever shifted to upper side will now become 10 to the power minus 2, equal to 206 into 10 to the power minus 5 and minus 2, which is equal to 206 into 10 to the power minus 7. In our next stage, we can also write this number 206 by 10 to the power 7 or 206 by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, or because we have to write it in usual form, that means including this number we have to place decimal before this number, before 7 numbers, 7 places, that is 206, 1, 2, 3. Here we see 6 places, another one is 7 places. This decimal to be placed before 7 places. Now this number becomes in usual form or changes into usual form. So 2.06 is into 10 to the power minus 5 is in standard form, and its usual form is this number. Thank you. This all about your exercise 2B.